Here's a video you could give to your virtual assistants for yourself. If you're doing podcast video with somebody, how to convert an Instagram video into an email campaign. You could do it for your video. You could do it for somebody else's video. You could even offer this as a service. And this is Tom.
The hotel, run your ads to those people.
And how's it been reacting with you?
Awesome. People keep coming up to me going, hey man, I've been seeing.
So let's convert this. I'm going to give you these links below. So you just download the video. Here, use the Snap Insta. You download the video. Step 1, you download. Step 2, you convert that video into text. Use this website. Any to text, you convert that. So here's the transcript. And ChatGPT, you convert this into an email campaign. So I have the text. I convert it. And next thing I'm going to do is how to become famous in your own network. So here's Tom. So convert as $10 a day. So less than a minute, I just have a full email ready to go. And I'm just going to go ahead and send it out. You could look at it. You could offer this as a service. I want to convert your videos into emails. This is a great service. I've been seeing your smart directory. Yep. And then I'm going to go ahead and just send this out to everybody right now. I just want to show you how to convert any Instagram video into an email campaign. And there is tools out there to do this automatically. I just want to show you, you could go ahead, walk around conference rooms, talk to people, and convert that to email newsletters. So don't be shy to do videos. And most important thing is send it to, to everybody. You could even put this in part of the newsletter, like watch the video, right? You could have everybody just watch the recap of this as well. You can do it on Instagram, YouTube as well. Hopefully this helped you out, and I was doing it for myself, and I was like, let me just share with the world some value of how to convert this. All right, guys, see you in the next one. All right, see you. Bye.